In this video, we will demonstrate the process of deleting a YouTube channel using a mobile device. This procedure is applicable to both iPhone and Android devices. To begin, access any search engine, such as Google or Safari, and search for Advanced Options YouTube Account Today. Select the first displayed option, which is typically the official YouTube support page. On the support page, ensure that you are signed in to the correct account that you wish to delete. Subsequently, locate and click on the Delete Channel option. To proceed with the deletion, simply enter your Google account password and follow the subsequent steps provided by YouTube. Here select whether you want to delete permanently or just hide your account. Upon successful completion of these steps, your YouTube channel will be permanently deleted. Thank you for your attention.